So follow this step by step without skip this video. The first thing you need to do, please share this content, leave a comment down here if this step by step works, and subscribe at this channel. Open the settings options on your iPhone till it shows the main settings screen. When it shows the main settings screen, you must scroll down until you find the accessibility options. When you find accessibility options, tap right here and it will show this screen. You must scroll down until you find hearing, and after that you must tap in audio and visual, tap right here and tap in mono audio. After that, tap in accessibility, hearing devices, and tap in hear aid compatibility. Tap right here to access these options. Tap OK, and after that you must return until this main configuration. Scroll up until you find Bluetooth, tap in Bluetooth options and swipe off this Bluetooth information. Tap right here to you swipe off and the Bluetooth information. Then we will come back to the accessibility options again. Tap right here in accessibility. Now let's tap in touch on physical and motor. Scroll down until you find call audio routing. Tap right here and change this configuration to automatic to speaker. Tap in speaker and OK. After that, tap twice till you come back from all your configurations. Tap in general. Scroll down until you find OK. Now you can use a node troubleshoot if you wish to clean your audio speakers like this and press slowly with this ear speaking. So don't forget, my dears, subscribe at this channel, leave a comment down here if this step by step works, and share this content. Thank you until the next video and see ya.